Hi, this is Narendran from Binsera, UK. In this lecture, I'm going to walk you through the get method in Angular 7. Okay, so you're going to follow the last video. So this is our component.html page. This is the view of that. So below this form, we want to display all the records that we are getting from the web API. So like here, vegetables, all kind of vegetables. So this response we are going to show that below this form in a table. So for that, first of all, we're going to go to Visual Studio and we gonna design a table here. After that, we're gonna go to the category service, and then we're gonna add a service there, and we're gonna come to category components here, and then we're gonna use the dependency injection from the service here, and after that we're gonna display all the records up here. So we can design a table here. So I'll just design it and come back in a second. Okay, so here I have designed the table, and this is our table here. So this table is nothing, it's just a table design. We will come to the get method here. So in order to start with, go to category service here, and we're gonna make a method, create a method here for get all records here, and return. So return this dot http dot get method here. We're gonna call get method here, and we're gonna create an array of category here, an empty array, and we're gonna pass this dot URL where we have already stored all the records from this API here. So here is our URL variable here, and we stored all the information from this categories API here, and we're gonna call that using the keyword called this dot URL here. Okay, so that's all for the get method, and then Control S to save. After that, go to category components here and create another method. So get cat here. So create another method, and after that, we already in the constructor we already call the dependency injection of the category service here. So here I'm going to call that here the category service here, and the method within the category service I'm going to call that here. After that, dot subscribe, and response equal to arrow function here, console log for any arrays, console log res here, and after that we're gonna say, so we already created the category list here, the variable here, and within the variable we are going to display that for this dot category list equal to res, so equal to response here, and we're going to use this category list on the front, or we're going to call this category list on the front and loop through each items in the array. Okay, so here again console.log for any arrays, so say error arrow function, then console.log res. Okay, sorry, error. Okay, error. Okay, after that, on the page load event, so ng on init is called the page load event in the .NET. Is similar to page load event in the .NET. So when the page loads, we want to display all the records from this category list. So for that, we're going to call that method here. So this dot, using this keyword, you can get all the methods from here or the variables here in this page. So get cat, this was the methods. To call that, use the curly bracket and Control S to save. After that, come to category.component.html. In here, go to the table row and ng for loop. We are going to use a for loop in here. So ng4 is a keyword for the for loop. After that, we have to use the variable let item. So that's the variable. We're going to declare the variable let item of category list. Okay, so we need to have the category list. So let item of category list here, and we want to iterate all the records from the category list here. So to get the records, say item, if you use the variable so we already store all the list items, all the items from category list onto the variable here. So calling this variable, we get all the items there. So we say item dot, so the first thing is category ID here, Control C. So this is the interpolation method we are using to display it. So the curly bracket is interpolation, and after that here again I would say item dot category name. It has to be exactly same as the response, so make sure you don't make any spelling mistakes here. And after that, I will have again interpolation here. So item dot category description. I'll copy that again here and paste it there. Okay, so we got I think everything is fine. So let's have a look here. There we go, we got all the category records, right? And these are the icons from the font awesome. Like I have added the font awesome here onto the index. So Control P to search. So say index.html here, and in here you can see I have used the font awesome CDN here. And after that, I went to here, take the trash, you can type anything like update here, search that, and click any icon from here, take anything from here. For that, just say for example click that, then click to copy and come up here onto the categories page, and onto the button here you can just paste it simply here. That's all, and that will display the icons here. It's very simple anyway. So you can give any color, or you can do any design according to your choice. And this is the end of this session. Thank you for listening, and have a great day ahead. Okay.